Okay, Olivetti M21 portable version of their M24 XT compatible computer. This one's a bit beaten up, looks like it's been dropped at some point. Keyboard's dirty. It's there, but it's complete. Give it some power. We've got lights flickering away on the keyboard and trying to tell us something. Beep. The brightness and contrast controls aren't working very well. So I don't know, might be a good candidate for repair or parts, but it's an Olivetti M21 portable, which means it would have been super expensive when it was new. Continue to look around here. We've got a bit of a crack up here. Fan. So yeah, I'm going to auction this one rather than put it as a buy it now. You guys can tell me what it's worth. Have a look for it on eBay. Thanks for watching.